Hi guys, welcome back to Doug's Basement Workshop, and we are obviously still here in the house in the CNC room. We're in the process of moving, so keep your eyes open. We'll see more video of the stuff that we're doing as we move the shop. I'm trying to learn the software and get better with the software, and I saw that they had this great little model with a horse running and the baby horse in the background, and I thought, ooh, I should be able to do that. I did it pretty well. It didn't come out quite the way I wanted it to. I wanted the baby horse to be a little more pronounced than that. I just gotta play with the settings, and I'm just learning how to do more of the modeling stuff and how to edit the 3D models. But I love it. It kind of has that ghosty in the background look to it. Ridiculously long project, guys. I don't know what I did wrong. I must have really butchered the G code for this one, or my speed settings, because this took just a crazy long time. You will see I got a couple of flat spots. When I was doing my G code, or when I was setting up the code for this and writing out the program, I forgot to set my depth to be a millimeter below the surface of the wood, so that if I had any inconsistencies in the surface of the wood, it would be taken out by the modeling or the carving process. So, oops, my bad. But this is just a learning piece. And this is another one where I've been playing with the Dremel. And I got a lot better with getting that little lip taken off. I'm going to go over some of the buttons that I've found in the software that are just mind-blowing buttons that I know that the software has way more than I know how to do. I've been asking help from the group. I've been asking help from other people who I know have the same software, and I've learned quite a bit. And I might go through and run a couple of buttons that I've learned that have made a big difference in my world. So, really cool piece, guys. Started out with the roughing 1/4 inch, finished it with an 1/8 inch, and I love it. Probably going to see a lot more of it. Yeah, that's the rope border that I use all the time. It's a nice border. It's clean, it's easy, and it does well for a cut through on the CNC machine. Keeps that nice look all the way down through the side of it. All the way down through. Keeps that nice curvy, bumpy look, and does cover up some of the sins of making a mistake. Alright guys, have a great day. Thanks for coming over and watching. As always, the next thing up in this video was going to be the time lapse of the carving process and some of the other parts of the process. Like, subscribe, share. Thanks. Have a great day, guys.